Hello and welcome to the Digital Bulwark. Today I will be walking you through the process of creating a WhatsApp group. Whether you are looking to organize a group of friends, stay connected with family, or coordinate with colleagues, WhatsApp groups are an excellent way to stay in touch and communicate efficiently. Without further delay, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app in your smartphone. Tap on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Tap on New Group. Next, select the contacts you would like to add to your WhatsApp group. Once you are done, click on Next. Now you are required to give your group a name. This name will be visible to all participants, so make sure it's relevant to the purpose of your group. After naming your group, tap on Create to finalize the process. That is all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.